Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you on how to get your free credit report in Singapore and also how to read and understand what is inside it. So first, you can get one free credit report if you have recently applied for a credit card, personal loan or any type of credit facility in Singapore. You will need to request it within 30 calendar days from the date you got approved or rejected. So you can get one free report per application and you won't be able to generate it once that window closes. So now, where can you get this report? So you can get this report via Credit Bureau Singapore. So click on Get My Credit Report and then choose Free Report. So after that, you can log in with your SingPass and enter your details. So once it is done, they will generate the credit report for you. Yep, so now I will show you a quick overview on how to get your credit report. Okay, so first go to Credit Bureau like I mentioned just now. Click on Access My Credit Report. Scroll down. So once you see the Consumer Credit Report, click on Proceed. After that, you can scroll down, click Yes, click Accept. After that, you can just click Retrieve My Info with SingPass. You click Next. Yeah, you just sign in and after that you can generate your credit report. Yep, so this is the Enhanced Consumer Credit Report. So on the summary page, you can see what's your credit limit and what's the number of credit card you have, which is under account. So after that, you can scroll down to the account status history. So on the account status history, you can see the product, the bank, and when did you open or when did you close. So for the open and close date is quite useful as you can see when you have opened it. So usually if you want to do credit card churning, you want to close the card within 1 year, you can use this to keep track of it. Or you want to close the account before 1 year as you don't want to pay annual fee. That's a valid way for you to track and close the account before they charge you annual fee. Yeah, okay, so on the right side you can see, so there's 3 letters here. It might seem confusing, but this is quite easy to interpret. So for the first row is whether you have made payment for that month. So for A means you have made payment within the last 30 days. So you can see I have made payment for each of the month. Okay, so for the second row is whether you use any of their cash advance or balance transfer. So for me, no, so most of it will be N. And the third row is whether you make full payment. So if yes, will be Y, if no, will be N. So for the asterisk, will be you'll be not available since you haven't used it yet. Yeah, so use this to keep track on when to cancel your card. Yeah, so you can scroll down. Okay, so for this is the enquiries that the bank make to the credit bureau. You can see whenever you create a credit card, the bank will do an enquiry, or they, like banks like HSBC or Trust Bank might do review regularly. Or let's say for this, you can see on 12 April 2024, I do a free report. I generate, basically this is how you get a free report and you can see your credit history. Okay, so here you can see your basically your credit score, either HH or AA, based on how likely you are to default. Yeah, so the contributing factors are these 3: too many enquiries, immature credit history, or credit exposure. Yeah. Okay, lastly, there's this aggregated outstanding balance, which show what is the standing balance that you have for this particular month, let's say for April 2024. So you definitely don't want any of the interest to be interest bearing, which is under here. So as you can see, most of it is under the non-interest bearing. Yeah, so I will pay them once the due date is up. So here you can keep track. Yeah, and lastly, this is the aggregated outstanding balance for the last 5 months. You can see how much you spend. It's easy for you to keep track. And this is the aggregated monthly installment for the month and the past month. Yeah, so that's basically it. Thank you.